Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to submit in-kind activities from the Parent tab. The first thing you want to do is go down to our orange bubble, click, and then move your browser to the in-kind purple heart. From here, you will see the dates up at the top. You'll see any assignments that you've already submitted or need to complete, any total activities that you've submitted, the total value that you've done for that month or week, the total time that's been submitted, as well as any mileage. In the bottom functions, you do see a revision button. So if there was anything to revise from your teacher, you'll click directly on here and do any of the needed changes. The middle button is any additional activities that you would like to submit. And the last one is history. So if you go ahead and send something in, you can actually see the history from previous assignments. So you can see here that we do have literacy 5 as well as mathematics 3, hence the 2 out of 9 completed assignments. When we go into 2 out of 9, I can click directly on here. And this brings up any uncompleted assignments, as well as any attachments or images sent by my teacher. I can click directly on the attachment and then either save the photo if needed or just exit out. Now, let's say that I wanted to submit an assignment. I'll go ahead and click one of these activities. So let's say I did Cognitive 9, play with puzzles. We'll tap, and on here, it does show you the description. This also reads it out loud for you. And then we can go ahead and add our time. I'll go ahead and pick the closest increment, which is 15 minutes. And I'll add my comment as well. Sarah was able to match the animal into the puzzle pieces. And then we will submit with a check mark. And we can also backtrack anything we'd like as long as it's part of the weekly assignment. So in this case, we did have June 27th up until July 3rd. We'll click done. Just please make sure that we can't future date unless it's presence of that day or back date. Go ahead and click done. And we'll go ahead and submit. Now it does ask you for your signature, so go ahead and sign. And feel free to always clear any signatures if you'd like to try it again. We'll go ahead and click submit. Perfect. Now let's say they did have to send some volunteer activities. I'll go on the bottom and click add and move my tab down to volunteer. And on here, I see all the volunteer activities that I could do from the classroom. So let's say I did set up the outdoor environment. Do this one more time with you. Click select, as well as the time. Go say in 15 minutes, and I'll go comment. I was able to set up the art table for 4 children. And click submit, click done, and bottom submit. If I did do additional things, I can quickly click add and other options will show up for me so that I don't have to submit every single time, hence saving me more time. So click submit, sign one more time. And done. Perfect. I hope you all learned how to submit assignments for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.